Alright, so we're heading out to go scrape our parking lots real quick. We just got about 2 inches of snow this morning. Not much, but it's starting to turn over to mix right now, some sleet. And it's supposed to rain later, so it's going to make a real mess. And later tonight, after everything's done, it's supposed to get really cold and everything's going to freeze up. So I'm not taking any chances. You know, the rain's probably going to melt most of the snow, but just in case it doesn't, we got to get it off the parking lots. So I'm going to go scrape them real quick and then probably let the rain come through and then go out later tonight and salt everything and get it all taken care of. Alright, well, it's really raining now. It looks like any snow and ice and sleet's over, looking at the radar here, so gonna wait and see what happens later. It's supposed to freeze up, so I'll probably go out late tonight and salt and get the parking lots de-iced and all that. So for now, we just sit and wait. Alright, we're back. It's Thursday morning. We went out about 4 o'clock this morning, salted everything, and got everything treated so that the ice will melt. And just came back. It's about 6, almost 7 o'clock now. And everything seems to be good. It's starting to dry out pretty good, actually. So we like to check it, make sure there's no slick spots, stuff like that. And if there is, hit them again. So our main goal is safety, and we always go above and beyond. You know, you don't want anybody falling down or accidents and stuff like that. So, but everything seems to be good. We shouldn't have to hit any more spots and should be good to go.